Okay, welcome back to our channel. My name is Carson Graves, Certified Financial Planner and President and CEO of the Retirement Education Center. And we do have some big news that I want to make mention of today. The IRS have just announced the 2026 tax brackets and deduction levels. And there are some notable changes ahead that you should be aware of, especially when you combine this with the passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill that Trump passed this year. This is just a quick update, and I'm going to walk you through some of the 2026 numbers and what's changing and what's actually maybe staying the same. But most importantly, how this could affect your retirement and tax planning for next year. So definitely stay locked in. So the first thing that I want to point out is that these changes will apply when you file your 2026 tax returns in 2027. So that's when these changes are going to apply to you. Now, for 2026, the standard deductions are going to change. For married couples filing jointly, that standard deduction is going to go up to $32,200, up from $31,500 in 2025. If you're a single filer, that standard deduction is going to go up to $16,100, up from $15,750 in 2025. And if you're head of household, your standard deduction is going to go up to $24,150, up from $23,625. So basically what this means is that a bit more of your income is going to escape taxation. It's a small, but I can tell you, a welcome break for most retirees. Now, it's important to know that the marginal tax brackets are going to change as well, but the top tax bracket is going to remain the same at 37%. For someone who has income over $640,000 as a single individual, and as a joint or married filing jointly couple over $768,700 is where you will be in the 37% tax bracket. And as we notate here on the screen, all the other tax brackets will be going up as well. Now, the 10% tax bracket will cover income below all of these levels. So on the screen, you can see what the 2025 marginal tax brackets were and see the increases for 2026. Now in 2026, if you do have a large estate, these are some of the updates that you're going to want to be aware of. When it comes to the estate tax exclusion, that is actually increased to $15 million per person. Now that is actually up from $13.9 million in 2025 per person. So if you are a wealthy family and you're doing multi-generational wealth planning, or you're doing any charitable givings, this is going to allow you to have a much larger estate tax exclusion on any gifting that you may do. When it comes to the gift tax, that's going to remain the same for 2026 as it is in 2025, which is $19,000 per person. So what does this mean for your planning in 2026? And these numbers may look like they're small adjustments, but for retirees, they can have a big impact on how much of your Social Security benefits may be taxable. It also can have an impact on how Roth conversions are timed, or how much of your Roth conversions you can do. And it can also determine how you structure income from your IRAs, your TSP or 401k accounts, or brokerage accounts. The bottom line here is that you want to start using these 2026 numbers now to help fine-tune your tax and withdrawal strategies heading into next year. Because every dollar that you do save in taxes is just another dollar that stays working for you in the long run. So if you found this information to be helpful, all that we ask is that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll continue breaking down the latest tax and retirement changes so you can retire with confidence.
After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers. Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.